Your left, please.
Everybody look straight, please.
Straight, please.
Left side, left side.
Okay, turn around, please. Yeah, okay, one step to the left hand, the other
Well, honestly, I was hoping to make a film in Germany, and so at the time I was writing it, I was listening to some language tapes, trying to get a sense of the language, and so I worked into the script, into the narrative for his character.
Beautiful locations, but I'd like to stay in a hotel when I'm in these locations.
I'm so sorry, but they're calling us. Thank
Paul,
you
you need
so
to-
much.
We're doing a picture.